Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Siri voice not working issue on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if the Siri voice is not working on your iPhone after iOS 27 update, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update, and from here check if there is any beta update for you. So guys, if there is any beta update like beta 4, then you have to simply update it to the latest version, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution, and that is you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is you have to simply open settings and then go to Siri, and from here you have to simply turn on Siri or set Siri again on your Apple device. So guys, simply go to talk to Siri, and from here if it is off you have to simply turn on from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.